Good morning, Foodstirs fam. Today, I started off my morning by waking up my sister so she could help me make Foodstirs organic chocolate chippy pumpkin muffins. So I started out by pouring our organic pumpkin bread mix in a bowl with 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2/3 cup of milk. We stirred that up, did a little dance, and poured the batter in this muffin tin with cupcake liners. We added pecans to some of the muffins, but you could add any topping that you'd like. We baked the muffins at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And since my family loves making charcuterie boards, I thought, why not make a breakfast board? We added the muffins with fruit, hard-boiled eggs, cottage cheese, bacon, and some dried apricots, but you could add any of your favorite breakfast foods. We topped it off with some assorted nuts and Lily's chocolates, and it was finally time to try. They were so amazing. I hope you guys enjoy.